What's up, guys? Today I'll show you some of the budget VPS providers that give you great value for your money. So these VPS providers are worth $5 a month or less. These are perfect for beginners, developers, and anyone who wants to start self-hosting. So let's get started. And first on our list is UGamehost. They are based in UK. They have £3 per month VPS or approximately 4.7 USD. And they have 2 vCPU, 4GB of RAM, 60GB of NVMe storage, and 5 Gbps unmeasured traffic. And the setup is straightforward and you can get it in 60 seconds. They accept PayPal and major debit cards. Take note that you need to get an annual subscription to get a £3 per month VPS. Next is hosting. So the advantage of hosting is they have locations worldwide and the specs are not that powerful like UGamehost. You get 2.2 gigahertz of CPU. This is only one. You get 1GB of RAM, 20GB of SSD storage, and 2TB of bandwidth. And take note that if you want to set up your email hosting, you need a medium plan to open port 25. They accept debit cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrency. Next is AutoHost for 4.80 per month. Okay, you get 1 CPU, 1GB of RAM, 30GB of NVMe storage, 1 IPv4, and of course, if you want an IPv6 for your projects, you get 4 IPv6. And they accept major credit cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. And take note that to get 4.80 per month, you need 2 years of subscription. They don't restrict the reports for 2 years subscription for VPS business up to enterprise. Moving in our list, we have Liquid Web. So for $5 a month, you get 1GB of RAM, 1 vCPU, 30GB of SSD storage, and 1TB of bandwidth. So they have 10GB of network speed. They have US, Amsterdam, and London locations, and they accept PayPal and major debit cards. Next is Rocknerd, and they have a whopping 4GB of RAM, 3 vCPUs, and 60GB of pure SSD. The same with uHost. You need to pay for a year to get $4.99 per month or $59.99 per year. So they have worldwide locations. So they have New York, LA, and Chicago, but their Europe locations are not available as of this moment. So they accept major credit cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. Next, we have Cloud Blast, and they are per hour billing VPS. They have Amsterdam, US, and Hong Kong locations. So for 3.6 per month, you get 3GB of RAM, 20GB of storage, and with a bandwidth of 10 Gbps. You only have 1 vCPU, and it is AMD EPYC. You get €5 if you sign up with their service. This is only for new users. This is an advantage for those who want to get an hourly VPS. They accept major debit cards and cryptocurrencies. Next up is Host Papa. So their VPS starts with 2.95, but this is for 3-year term. So for 5.95 for 3-year term, you get 2 vCPUs, 2GB of RAM, 50GB of NVMe storage, and 4TB of bandwidth. You can get this if you are using your VPS for long-term, great for long-term projects. They have worldwide locations in Canada, US, Amsterdam, and they accept major debit and credit cards and PayPal for their payment method. So next is Ava Hosting, and they are located in Moldova. So for their €5 a month, you get 1 vCPU, 2 GB of RAM, 25 GB of NVMe storage. By default, they open their port 25 in case you want to set up your own email server. For location, they have only one, that is Moldova. And for their payment method, they accept PayPal, major debit cards, and cryptocurrencies. And last but not least, we have Dartnode, and they have 4.95 a month. You get 1 vCPU, 2 GB of RAM, 25 GB of SSD, and 1 GPS of port speed. And their locations are within the US only. They don't have outside the US. For their port, they don't block ports. If you want to set up an email hosting with a VPS, you can. And they accept major credit cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. And DDoS protection is only optional. So I have created a comparison as of this writing. Some of these providers don't have a $5 per month anymore, but they have increased to at least €1 or $1. So I hope this helped you in your self-hosting journey. If you have any questions, just comment in them as usual. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.